Maximize your affiliate marketing potential with these suggestions. In the world of affiliate marketing, there are plenty of great resources available to both new and experienced marketers alike. There are many programs, e-guides, books, videos, and other resources for information. This set of tips contains some of the best advice for helping a good affiliate marketer become a great affiliate marketer. Consider weekly or monthly prizes. Visitors will keep coming back to your site to see what the prize is. Don't forget to keep their interest by providing relevant information that they want to learn about. This is also a good way to get sign-ups to your newsletter. Tell them you will notify them about the prize through email. Create a short ebook and post it on document sharing sites. By doing this, you can show off your expertise, but you can also attract visitors and prospective buyers who are looking for similar information to your site. Be sure to include a number of links to your site inside the document. To address your audience directly, you should take time to get to know them and understand their problems. Once you have identified their main concerns, you can propose a solution that includes buying the products you want to sell. Remain genuine and honest in addressing these issues that are important to your audience. Record a high-quality video where you demonstrate an affiliate product, then upload it to YouTube along with your affiliate link. YouTube is a great source for potential buyers, and if you provide an informative video about a product, people will be more inclined to buy the product through your affiliate link. After watching these tips, you can begin to understand what it takes to become a great affiliate marketer. There is a lot of information to be had, and you need to know how to apply it. With this in mind, you can refine your own strategy and goals and make major profits from your marketing efforts. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.